Hello everyone, I'm Victoria, Communication Manager at RigExpert. We are excited to introduce you a new video series created in collaboration with a young radio amateur. Through this video, you will see how our equipment being used in real life by passionate users who love radio as much as we do. Our goal is to show authentic experiences, practical insights, and the joy of discovering what's possible with modern CDR and antenna measurement tools. Stay tuned, more videos are coming soon.
Radio is a radio system that uses software instead of traditional analog hardware, like mixers, filters, modulators, for signal processing, allowing to be reprogrammed to handle various radio protocols, AM, FM, Wi-Fi, cellular, and more. Meet the Fobos SDR, the high-performance receiver that gives a continuous view from 100 kHz all the way to 6 GHz with a 14-bit ADC and 50 MHz bandwidth. This is how you see the entire radio world in incredible detail. Let's unbox it and set up our computer. So, here is the box of our receiver. Fobos SDR from RigExpert. This SDR features a 50 MHz full bandwidth mode with continuous IQ stream. It has a 14-bit ADC. Take note that the Fobos SDR, in order to work properly, requires a 3.0 laptop. Opening the box, we see the SDR itself. We see that the SDR is made from machined aluminium. The SDR has a clock in, clock out, an RF port, HF1 and HF2 inputs. Also, inside the box, we see a high quality 3.0 USB cable. Also, compared to a typical 2.0 cable, we see that this cable has extra pins for the 3.0 capability. Let's get on the software side. So, here we have a fresh installation of Windows 11. We open our web browser and search for RigExpert. We press the first result. We go on the products and choose SDR. We slide down and press Learn More. We keep this tab open and we create a new one. After opening the new tab, we search for ZADIG and choose this result. We press the download link and wait for it to download. Now we run the file and press Run as administrator. Now we plug the Fobos SDR and on the Option tab we choose See All Devices. On this tab we choose Fobos SDR and press Install Driver or Reinstall Driver. It can take up to few minutes to install the driver, so we skip this part. Now we follow these steps. Extract the SDR folder. And run the SDR sharp exe. Right now we see our app has started. We choose the Fobos SDR and we press play. As you can see on the SDR device, a red light appears. So we open our gain Let's give it a check. Look at this spectrum. Each of these digital TV channels is 8 MHz wide. So this is how we set up our receiver. And stay tuned, in the next video we are going to see how to receive the Meteor M2-4 weather satellite with the Fobos SDR and how to decode the weather data. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned.